Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In today's video we will discuss some numerology secrets about life path 11 compatibility according to numerology. Who is life path number 11 compatible with? What life path numbers are not compatible? And what might be your challenges and possible learnings? I will also provide some guidance on how to make the most of this number. The world is your oyster if you have a life path number of 11. You are endowed with several talents and have the potential to do great things. Make the most of what the universe has in store for you. It already has a framework for you. You only need to learn how to follow its guidance and you will achieve all you have ever desired and more. Your numerology life path number, like your zodiac sign in astrology, can disclose parts of your life and personality. It may point you in the direction of prospective career routes and romantic compatibility with others. Your life path number corresponds to your sun sign. Both of these might disclose your personality traits, strengths, shortcomings, and goals. Numerology, like astrology, may take you down a wonderful road of self-discovery and joy. Numerology allows you to look beyond what is in front of you and let it guide you to where you are meant to be. If you want to learn more about numerology secrets, spiritual growth, and become part of the collective spiritual awakening journey, please don't forget to subscribe. The significance of your life path number may also bring spiritual insight, leading to a deeper knowledge of yourself, others, and how they all fit together in your life. Finally, this number will disclose your life's bigger purpose and goal. Yet, you may rely on any numerology number, such as angel numbers, destiny numbers, or soul desire numbers, to provide essential information. These figures are fantastic for learning more about yourself and your place in the big cosmos. However, while these are all essential numbers, also known as core numbers, in your numerology chart, some believe your life path number is the most crucial number for achieving your life objectives and real potential. Those having a life path number of 11 are endowed with several talents. The meaning of life number 11 is that such people have the ability to achieve great things and have an impact on the world. I love to get in touch with you guys because you are often creative, intuitive, and have a strong sense of intuition. They are also natural leaders and can be very persuasive when they need to be. What they can accomplish is almost limitless. However, every advantage has a disadvantage. Those with path number 11s may have excellent talents, but some of them might work against them if they are not properly managed. It is crucial that number 11s examine themselves to understand what they may be lacking and how to reinforce what they have already accomplished. This will enable them to become the finest version of themselves imaginable. 11s are frequently spiritual individuals. They have a strong connection to the divine and may assist others on their spiritual journey. I'm attracting you to my channel because of some similar energies. Always remember there are no coincidences. They are also frequently endowed with psychic or supernatural talents and have a greater vibration than other life path numbers, particularly those with single-digit life paths. Numerology may even provide insights into your personal life and help you better comprehend your possible soulmate. Number 11s are passionate lovers who frequently require emotional assistance. As a result, their ideal companion will be someone who can keep them at bay while yet enjoying their passionate spirit. Number 11s are idealistic dreamers who have difficulty keeping their feet on the ground. Finding a realist could be just who they need to help them dream and keep them from flying too close to the sun. Now, what life path numbers go together? 11s, 22s, and 33s are the most compatible with other 11s, 22s, and 33s. They may also locate their ideal partner in numbers that are 2 digits different from their own. For example, if you are an 11, you would be compatible with a number of 13. However, it is important to note that compatibility is not limited to just these numbers. You must remember that you could find a potential partner even in those that are on different life paths, because they share the same energies. Life path numbers 11 and 33 are compatible. They are both endowed with several abilities and have the potential to do great things in life. They are both deeply spiritual individuals with a profound connection to the divine. Numbers 33 and the 11th of may have the makings of a perfect match, but both must focus on communicating their emotions in order to keep this relationship going. In general, this couple recognizes the importance of honesty, security, and commitment, which leads them to trust each other enough to commit to the relationship. They will be affectionate and loving partners once they both decide to commit. However, because they loathe confrontation and disputes, numbers 33 and 11 prefer to internalize their feelings and keep them bottled up for the sake of harmony. Worse, both want the other to know they are unhappy but will not publicly admit it. All of this might result in bad emotions and even a self-pity mood, making them indifferent to their partner's sentiments. If these negative sentiments are not addressed, the relationship may deteriorate and finally fail, with neither party knowing why. Thus, it will benefit both parties to be honest and upfront with each other from the start, rather than continuing to bottle up their emotions, which will only end in accumulating bitterness against each other. As always, communication is everything. Sometimes you just have to ignore your ego. Because they are both natural leaders, life paths 11 and 22 may be a wonderful fit. Although this trait may make it difficult for them to relinquish power, it also helps them to have mutual respect for one another. They are both noted for their creativity and excellent intuition. Both number 11 and number 22 are seeking commitment and stability in a relationship. If these two become romantically linked, it will swiftly escalate into a significant commitment. This will be a joyful and peaceful marriage or relationship since both have no communication problems and are continuously planning their future together, both feeling confident in the other's commitment. This partnership will have a favorable impact on both numbers in the sense that, with number 11's backing, number 22 will ultimately learn to take things easy and with humor, while number 11 will be encouraged by number 22 to be more forceful and acquire confidence in voicing his or her ideas. One thing these two should be aware of is number 11's desire for love and tenderness, whilst number 22 is not emotionally expressive. This, however, will not be a major issue if both parties make an effort to be more attentive of each other's needs while still maintaining their mutual respect and admiration at all times. The last one is such an ideal combination. Number 11 needs commitment, stability, and to be fully understood, and this can be provided in a relationship with another number 11. The reason for the success of this relationship is communication. These two will talk to each other about everything and anything that concerns them, and they both understand each other very well. Their mutual respect and admiration enhances their security and love for one another, making them very compatible. The biggest advantage for this pairing lies in the fact that no one can understand a number 11 better than another number 11. Two number 11s are perfectly suited for each other as both fully understand each other's relationship needs as well as life goals, which goes a long way in sustaining a stable relationship. Their similarities in personality and way of thinking make for a happy and enduring relationship. If you have a life path number of 11, you are definitely one of a kind. You are gifted with many talents and have the potential to achieve great things in this lifetime. Even if you are a people person, don't let the emotions of others consume you. When you focus on yourself, everything else seems to fall into place. Being one of the master numbers is not without its challenges. 11s must dig deep and gain the guts to realize their dreams in the world if they are to achieve pleasure and fulfillment on their path. Their extreme sensitivity might cause a stressed-out nervous system. Following a healthy diet and finding pleasant situations may be more important than other life pathways for 11. Physical activities such as jogging, yoga, and volunteering might help to channel some of that excess nervous energy. You are bright enough to provide positive energy and inspiration to many people who are boring and ineffective. 11s experiences numerous hardships, yet you soar above them all like a phoenix. Failures or stumbling blocks will never stop you from becoming stronger and more competitive. You are a dreamer with compelling thoughts and ideas that seek to transform the world and better humanity. The depth of your emotions and sensitivity provide you insight into other people's thinking. The pearls of wisdom within you transform you into a positive healer who uses acupuncture, telepathy, and meditation to enhance your surroundings. The negative aspects of this number are followed by the energy of 1, which flatters your ego and causes pain. The greater emphasis on consciousness and psychics that 11s place might cause excessive melancholy, worry, and tension. Sometimes you are unable to comprehend the recurring events that keep appearing in your life, which eventually causes you to consider more and more. Always remember, you can learn from each person and situation or just ignore it. It's your choice. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.